but in reality, all the representatives are insider trading.
Yeah.
It's already
No, but I mean,
illegal.
you
What's going
can,
on here is that Congress can actually legally trade on the information they have. There could be a thing where you just say, okay, you're in Congress, you can't do any trades now, or it has to be in a blind trust or a mutual fund or something like that. But even then, they could unravel and figure out that they have Apple and make the regulatory environment good for Apple. But this is really about Congress, and it's something that's been legal and open. That's why it's fun to make fun of Representative Pelosi. But in reality, all the representatives are insider trading,
yeah.
except like a very small handful, maybe AOC, Bernie, five or six others, perhaps Republicans, could be anybody. But yeah.
But even you're right, the family. Like when I was working for a finance company, um, a head office, the like it was. I'm pretty sure our contract said friends and family were excluded from. Sorry, were included in the stock trading. You couldn't pass any information on. You couldn't like have a partner and say right buy stock before the before it opens because we're announcing results or whatever. So if unless it excludes and sorry includes the partners and family like passing on any information, then it's kind of null anyway, because you could just tell a mate to put a long on you, like a leverage long on for
I'm
you.
I'm sure it does. I mean, it's not they aren't allowed to leak that information anyway, really. It's supposed to be private information, and I'm sure they market as such. I remember going back to the McDonald's monopoly scandal. That was actually given out to a friend or a family when the company that was making all the little tickets stole all of the $1 million and other high-priced tickets. And it's shocking if you watch the documentary. They
Oh, the
go to the
Netflix
guy's
one,
house,
yeah. Yeah.
and he's not surprised at all. He's like, "Oh, I won $1 million." He doesn't have a shocked look. He has a, "Of course I won because we rigged it" look. And yeah, that was exactly friends and family, which always unravels. They always figure this stuff out.
Yeah. Would that apply to meme coins? There you go. Because obviously there was like the Trump meme coin, the Melania meme coin. Do you know if that applies to meme coins as well, and
I
crypto
don't think
trading?
it applies to meme coins at all. I think we're
Yeah.
closing the previous barn door
Yeah.
while the cows are going out the other side, because anyone can bribe him through the
Mm.
meme coin, or like you say, even through his family's meme coins if you want to be sneaky about it.